Welcome back to my dear students, all of you. And here I am going to explain the topics of simulative triangles. And in these chapters, I am going to discuss the problem from Ncert books of Standard 10 Mathematics of Chapter 6 for you. And you will, okay. And I know you have a lot of doubts in the simulative triangles, and I am trying to help you in this regard. And I hope this will help you, okay, in solving your doubts, and you will practice it, and you will also prepare for your different kind of exam on the board exam, okay, and you will do well. I hope you will do well, okay, and you will also practice the problem which is going to discuss here, okay. So let's start. And these are the Ncert question. Today I am going to discuss the exercise 6.2 question number 1, okay, and this is a figure related problem. And in this problem I am going to discuss regarding the problem, a simple problem based on the basic proportionality theorem. And already it is discussed what is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, all of you know in the previous class, okay. So let's start. Okay, here it is given in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Okay, in the given figure it is given that in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, and BD, the part BD is equal to 3 cm, the part AD is equal to 1.5 cm, the part A is equal to 1 cm, and you have to find out the length of CE. What is the length of CE? Okay, let's see. And it is clearly, understand? So it is given that, and once again I am repeating that in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, and the D intersect AB at the point D and AC at the point E, and here is given the BD length. The BD is 3 cm and AD is 1.5 cm and A is 1 cm. We have to find out the length CE. Okay, we have to find out the length CE. And this is clearly, and according to basic proportionality theorem, and all of you know, and if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and it becomes parallel to, okay, if a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle, what is that? It is intersect other two sides in the same ratio. Yes or no? And this is the Thales theorem. What do you know? Yes or no? A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect other two sides in the same ratio. Since the line DE parallel to the side BC of the triangle ABC, so here you can clearly understand AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Okay? According to BPT theorem, since you see DE parallel to BC, understand? Okay, and that implies AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. And by basic proportionality theorem, BPT, all of you know, and this condition, if a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle, okay, and it intersect other two sides in the same ratio, and AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Okay, so here what will happen? You have to use the values of AD. Here AD given 1.5, and BD given 3 cm, and equal to A given 1 cm, and CE. That you have to find out. The length of CE you have to find out. Right? Understand? Okay? Is it clear? Now you see 1 upon CE is equal to 1.5 by 3. So 1.5 by 3 is, here you see, this is a decimal number. Okay? This is the decimal number 1.5. Already you know if the denominator and the numerator are the decimal number, how to simplify? Here you see 1.5 is the numerator, it is a rational number, and so here it is a numerator is a decimal number. So you simplify, first you remove the decimal point. After removing the decimal point, the number will be 15, 15 upon 3. Then write down 1 in the denominator, and you see the numerator after in the numerator, okay, is 1.5. In the decimal part, it contains 1 digit, so you have to put 10. This is how you have to remove the decimal point, and that is equal to 1 upon CE. So you see now, you clearly see the 1 upon CE. You can cancel and simplify here. Can you simplify? Yes. You see now 3 5 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. Okay. So you are getting what? Here you see in the numerator the remaining factor is 1 and denominator is 2. So that implies 1 upon 2. Or you can write also 1 upon CE. 1 upon CE is equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 upon CE, and it is reciprocal. If you do reciprocal, it will be CE upon 1 is equal to, if 1 upon CE is equal to CE upon 1, then 1 by 2 will be 2 upon 1. Okay, according to the properties of the proportion. Okay, understand? So that implies you will get CE is equal to 2 centimeter. Is it clear? The length of CE is 2 centimeter. The part of CE is 2 centimeter. This is the required answer. Is it clear, students? Understand? It's a very simple problem based on the concept of PPT, and I hope you will practice it. Okay, thank you. Hello dear students, and here in this class I am going to explain a simple problem based on the similarity of triangle from your Ncert book of standard 10 mathematics. Okay, and from exercise 6.2 question number 1 second bit. Okay, and look at carefully, and it is a simple problem based on the concept of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, and all of you know, and let's see the diagram. Here is given, and in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC given. Okay, and the BD, here you see the DE parallel to BC. Is it clear? The DE parallel to BC. And here you see the, okay, the line DE intersect AB at the point D and the side AC at the point E. Okay, and also given that the BD, the part BD is 7.2 centimeter, and the part CE is 5.4 centimeter, and the part A is 1.8 centimeter. Here we have to find out the length of AD. Okay, and the upper part of the line DE, that is AD length. What is the part of AD? So it is very simple. And here, since the line DE parallel to BC, so we have to use the basic proportionality theorem. All of you know the basic proportionality theorem is that if a line intersect, what is the basic proportionality theorem? Once again, can you tell me? If a line parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersect other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, this is the concept we are using. Yes or no? Okay, so in the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, so if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersect other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, so since, let us find the solution. You see, since DE parallel to BC, yes or no? DE parallel to BC. Okay, so we can find out AD upon BD is equal to A upon CE. Okay, the line DE intersect other two sides, and there. Okay, and you will find that at there divided by the line DE, it is dividing the line AB at the point D and E of the triangle of the side AB and AC of the triangle ABC. Okay, so you will find out AD by BD is equal to AE upon CE. Is it clear? and this is in accordance with the basic proportionality theorem, BPT, Thales theorem. Okay. Now just to simple put the values here, and here AD given, AD value you have to find out. Then here BD value given 7.2 is equal to AE value is what? 1.8 divided by, and C value is 5.4. 5.4. Okay, understand? Okay. After that you see, then you simplify, find the value of AD. So AD is equal to 7.2 will be transposed, and AD is equal to, you see, 1.8 into 7.2 divided by 5.4. What will happen here? Here B will be transposed. Here the 7.2 will be transposed to the right hand side, and it will be multiplied with 1.8. Right? So this is the value of AD. Now you see, this is a rational number whose numerator and denominators are decimal number. So how to know? Whenever you are simplifying any rational number whose numerator and denominator rational are decimal numbers, so just you remove the decimal point. Okay, understand? So once again I am telling, first you remove the decimal point, you see 1.8. After removing the decimal point, the number is 18. And here the 7.2, it will be 72. Yes or no? It will be 72. Once again see, here AD is equal to, look at here, 1.8. So it will be 18 after removing the decimal point, and it will be 722, okay, and 5.4 will be 54. Is it clear? So first of all, if the numerator and denominators of rational numbers are the decimal numbers, first of all you remove the decimal point. This is the way of simplification. Just I am reminding you, and because these are the mostly student used to face how to simplify. The simplification is the most problem. Okay, and why the student used to find it difficult how to simplify such kind of expression. So if the numerator and denominators are the decimal number, first of all you remove the decimal point and write down the numbers. Okay, then you come to the denominators. Write down 1. Write down 1. You see, and in the numerator you see, count the number of digits in the decimal part. Count the number of digits in the decimal part in the numerator. Okay, in the numerator you see 1.8. So in the decimal part it has 1 digit. 7.2, it has in the decimal part is 1 digit. So you count 1, here 1. That is 2. So that's why you have to put, because the total number of digits in the decimal part is 2. So you have to put how many 0? 2 0. Understand or not? There are 2 digits. You see 1, 2. So you have to put, because of the decimal part contains 2 digits in the numerator. So in the denominator you write down 1, then you put 2 zeros. Okay, and the number becomes 100. Okay, you count just number of digits in the decimal part and you put the same number of 0 here. Understand? Similarly, let us write down 1. In the denominator you see the denominator is 5.4. 5.4 means how many digits in the decimal part? 1 digit. So you in the numerator you have to put 1 0. Is it clear? This is how you have to simplify the expression if the numerator and denominators are the decimal expression. Okay, let's see now. Now you see, divide here now. Now you see 18 3 ja. Can you cancel here? 18 3 ja 54. Yes or no? Again you see, you can cancel here 3 and 3 2 ja 6, 1 3 6 ja 12, and here 1 0, here 1 0, can you cancel? Okay. After that you see the remaining term is 26 by 10, and this value, hence we got AD is equal to 2.6 centimeter. This is the answer. This is the answer. Hence we got, here we write down AD is equal to 2.6 centimeter. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? and this is the required value and the length of AD we got. Okay, understand? Okay, let's see and follow it. Thank you.